Peppy. All of Peppa's friends are playgroup, but the gazelle is teaching them. Miss Holly Hattie Dolly. Oh dear, Pedro Pony has got a cough. Not you worried? I'll call Dr. Brown Bear. Hello, Dr. Brown Bear speaking. Hello, doctor. This is Mary Gazelle. A child is ill. Not to worry, not to panic. I'll come straight away. Where is the problem? Oh, I've got a cough. So, it is a tickly cough or chesty cough? I don't know, but it goes like it's nothing serious, but Pedro cough might be catching. What do you mean, catching? When one person got a cough, some other people got that cough too. Do I need medicine? I think you just need a teeny tiny spoon. I think it doesn't taste very nice. Ugh, it tastes good. Oh, shoot, full of jam. Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear. As I was saying, Pedro cough is catching. Danny Dog and Susie Sheep has got Pedro cough. Open wide. Ugh, it tastes like jammy, oily, cheese. Ugh, it tastes like flour. Think, bring. Bye, children. Mommy, Daddy, I've got a cat. He gave us horrible medicines. Mother Gazelle, will you start singing now? All right. Miss Holly Harry Dolly, who was oh dear, all the grown-ups have got Pedro cough. Dr. Brown is speaking. Hello, this is Peppa Pig. All the grown-ups are ill. Don't worry. Don't panic, Peppa. I'll come straight away. Hello, everyone. Caught Pedro cough, have we? Open, find the light and open wide. It tastes like jammy old fuzzy sock. Dr. Brown Bear, who looks after you when you're ill? No one's gonna look after me. I'm never ill. I eat apple twice a day. No, don't need to panic. Oh dear. Dr. Brown is ill and no one has to look after him. Hello, we come to visit you. Here's some fruit. and some cushions. And here's a message. Ugh, it tastes like jammy, old, fuzzy sauce. It's full of jam. And here's a song to make you feel better. Miss Holly had it toy was sick, sick, sick. The doctor came back, tick, tick. Mom, let's skip that. I can't.